How to get monetized on TikTok. TikTok is an exceptional platform to take advantage of whether you are a singer, photographer, clown, comedian, motivator, teacher, etc. You just shouldn't miss out on this for so many reasons. The first reason is that it will help you grow an audience with just short and few seconds consistent video upload, and it will position you as a professional and authority in your field. Before we dive right into this video, please make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell to stay informed whenever we post new videos. Another important reason why you should use TikTok is because it is a cheap way of promoting your product or service due to the fact that if you go to a television station to book a session, it will be really expensive. And also, TikTok can expose you to a large number of people in just a very short time, like 1 month. Now to the most important part of this video, which is how to get monetized on TikTok. Who doesn't love making money? There are indirect ways to make money from TikTok, but in this video, we will be talking about the direct way, where you are paid by TikTok, or TikTok is directly involved in making sure you make money. And the most important one is called the Creator Marketplace. Monetize using Creators Marketplace. creatormarketplace.tiktok.com. This involves a community place specially designed by TikTok to offer eligible creators the opportunity to promote brand products and get paid. To be eligible, you must have 50,000 subscribers or followers upward, must be 18 years of age, and must have 5,000 likes on your video for the last 28 days. And finally, your content must follow the guidelines of TikTok community. To begin this process, you will be sent a notification if you qualify for this offer. Then you will have to change your personal account to a creator's account. You do this by going to the Me section on your account, then get to Creator Tools, and then Monetization, and then to Creator Marketplace. After this, your account will be quickly reviewed and approved. When you get approved, you are expected to fill in your personal details and set up your profile as well as set your rate and how much you would like to be paid per second's video. After all these set up, you are given to license to explore brand creator opportunities. And when your profile is finally displayed out there, interested brands will reach out to you and ask you to collaborate or partner with them. They will also state how much they wish to offer you. When you meet an agreement with any brand, a dashboard that displays your signed campaign with this brand appears, from where you can monitor your progress with the videos you upload for them. Other times, brands won't contact you. Rather, you are expected to pitch a brand you will be interested in working with after doing a proper research on them. In this pitch, you should show them the success of your brand. You should show them the opportunity that TikTok presents to their brand and how it can grow their customer base. Make them excited about the whole TikTok process. You could even plan a TikTok video with the topic that centers on the product or service the brand, companies, offers and inform them about this, asking if they will be interested in partnering or featuring their product or services. Include a similar video that you've done before that has a lot of views. If you quickly want to get brand attention, you could tailor your content more to their brand than yours. Some companies could pay you between $500 to $1,000 per post or video you do for them, although some are known to pay higher. Another alternative to this Creators Marketplace is a program where you get paid based on the number of views the video you do for these brands get. Though it is not yet available in most countries, only a few countries have this opportunity. Another way of monetizing your TikTok account is monetize by going live. This is another direct way that TikTok has made it possible for you to be rewarded. It involves you having up to 1,000 followers or subscribers, and then you can go on a live session. At the end of this session, your followers are allowed to donate coins to you, which can then be monetized or converted to cash and paid to your PayPal account. The coins are first going to be put together to form diamonds, which are then finally converted into money. These diamonds are usually allowed to get to the amount of 10,000 before you will be able to cash out, and this amount of diamonds can get you $50. With this method, you can make an average of $300 daily if you have a good followership and take things serious. This is a direct reward system that TikTok has placed on ground to serve as incentive to encourage creators to do more. Monetize by using ads. Though you might not make much money from ads, but you will still get money though. You could make up to $20 to $50. You might have to get so much views of 900,000 to 1 million views to attract this cash reward from ads placed on your video. You will have to post videos consistently in order to attract ads opportunity quickly. This cash generated from this method could be a passive income rather than an active and regular source of cash. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you will be informed each time we release a new video, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.